Hey foodies, today I'll be showing you how I make my quick and easy baked spaghetti. Start off by spraying down a pan with cooking spray, and then I'll add a half a stick of butter to my spaghetti noodles. We're going to mix that up really well. And next I'll be coming in with 1 egg that I beat a little bit, and we'll add that in. Third ingredient is a half a cup of Parmesan cheese, and again we'll toss that around. Now we're going to spread an even layer across the bottom. It's going to be about half of our noodles that we'll place in the pan and then spread out. Now I'll come in with my spaghetti sauce that I pre-made, and the recipe for all of this is at the end and in the description box. So we're going to put a nice amount of meat sauce on there and then spread it out evenly. Now this next step is optional, but I come in with a little bit of lemon pepper because it's a baked dish and I won't be adjusting the seasoning at the end. I just want to make sure that it has a little bit of kick to it. And now I'll top with mozzarella cheese. And we're going to repeat our layering with first noodles, spread out again, and this was about 7 to 8 ounces of noodles. Doesn't seem like a lot, but it really does stretch. It's going to expand some more while it bakes. And once we have all our noodles in, we're going to layer again the same way that we did before. And come in with another layer of meat sauce. And I did use all of my meat sauce. It was about 1 pound of ground beef, some grilled onions, sauteed onions, green peppers, garlic, a jar of your favorite spaghetti sauce, seasoned well. And now that I have that in there, again, I'm going to just sprinkle a little bit of lemon pepper across the top. And then finish off with our mozzarella cheese. And I'm going to leave it a little sparingly on top because I do want some of it to bubble through. It looks real good presentation wise. Gonna bake it in the oven, 350 for about 20-25 minutes, and voila, we're done. Enjoy.